Let me ask you something honestly. How many times have you wanted to start an online side hustle, but stopped because you don't want to show your face, don't know tech, or don't know what to sell? Because if that's you, this might be one of the simplest AI-based income models I've seen recently, and today I'm breaking it down fully. Honestly, no hype. In this video, I'm reviewing AI Avatar's Side Hustle PLR. What it is, who it's for, who should not buy it, how people are using it to earn online, and whether it's actually worth your money. And yes, if you decide it's right for you, my affiliate link is in the description. Here's the reality. Most people fail online because they don't know what product to sell, they can't afford expensive tools, they don't want to be on camera, they overthink instead of starting AI Avatar's side hustle. PLR is designed specifically to remove those barriers. In simple terms, this is a done-for-you digital business system. You get AI avatar-based content assets, pre-built products you can sell full PLR rights, you can resell, rebrand, or bundle, a clear side hustle model using AI videos, training on how to actually monetize it. No filming yourself, no complicated editing, no product creation from scratch. This is perfect for beginners with zero experience, students who want online income, people afraid of camera or voice, side hustlers with limited time, affiliate or digital marketers who want fast assets. If you want speed plus simplicity, this fits. Let's be honest, this is not for people looking for get rich overnight. Someone who refuses to take action, advanced developers building SaaS products. This is a starter-friendly income system, not magic, how people are actually using this. Here's where it gets interesting. People are using these AI avatars to create faceless YouTube videos, sell digital products on Instagram, run short-form reels for offers, bundle and resell PLR products, offer AI video services to clients. You're not locked into one method, you choose the platform. AI avatar content is exploding because no camera anxiety, no personal branding pressure, works globally, scales fast, platforms push AI-based visuals. This product rides a trend that's already working. Addressing common doubts. Is this too complicated? No. The entire system is beginner-friendly. Do I need paid ads? No. You can use free traffic like YouTube, Instagram, Shorts. Is PLR low quality? Normally, yes, but this one is structured, modern, and editable. Let's compare. Building your own course, expensive and slow freelancing. Time for money, dropshipping. Ads plus risk, AI avatars. Side hustle, PLR. Low cost plus reusable assets. That's why beginners prefer this model. If you follow the training, use just one platform, stay consistent. This can realistically become a steady side income, not overnight riches, but scalable. I like this because it removes fear, it saves time, it's beginner-friendly, you own the assets, that's rare. If you want a faceless, AI-powered side hustle that doesn't require skills or experience, check the link in the description, click the link below, review the details, and see if this fits your goals. Bonuses and availability may change, so don't wait too long.